I drank water on an empty stomach for a month, and here's what happened. Drinking water early in the morning has a lot of health benefits. I tried this for over a month and noticed amazing results. You can also try this at home and see the positive difference it makes to your overall health condition. Make sure that you drink water on an empty stomach. Apart from that, you'll also get the best results when you drink water stored in room temperature. Avoid headache. I had this problem with regular headaches, and this affected my work life. The reason behind this was dehydration, which I figured out later. By drinking a few glasses of water early in the morning, the problem easily got resolved. It took just over 2 weeks to notice this amazing difference in my health condition. Best solution for constipation. If you are suffering from constipation, you need to choose this remedy. When you drink sufficient water on an empty stomach, it cleans the bowel and regulates the digestive tract. This helps you to get relief from constipation in a simple way. Detoxifies the body. Yet another amazing benefit of drinking water in the morning is that it eliminates the toxins from the body. While you may not be able to physically see the toxins getting removed from your body, the effect will be clearly visible in your overall health condition. You will notice a clear difference in the health of your skin and hair. Improved metabolism. This simple technique also boosts the overall metabolism of the body and provides sufficient energy. The red blood cells get stimulated when you drink water, and this can have a positive impact on the overall energy levels. It also results in better digestion, and your body will be able to extract nutrients in an effective manner. Good for the health of your hair. Remember that 25% of your hair is made up of water, and you need to consume water regularly for healthy hair. In this regard, it makes sense to drink water on an empty stomach in the morning to get appropriate hydration. This can show good results for your overall health, and your hair will become strong in due course. You can even notice positive difference within few weeks after starting the therapy. Excellent for preventing kidney stones. This prevents the occurrence of kidney stones by a huge margin. When you consume water on an empty stomach, it dilutes the acids in the body, and this can prevent the formation of kidney stones. Lose weight and strengthen immune system. You'll be surprised to know that I was able to lose weight by drinking water on an empty stomach. This gives very good result when you choose the early morning hours, as your body will be very receptive in this stage. It can easily flush toxins in this manner and provide immunity from different infections and diseases. This can burn fat effectively and help you reduce the body weight. Reduces acidity levels. Remember that acidity can lead to various other complications, and you have to control them to keep your body in good health. One of the easiest things you can do in this regard is to drink water early in the morning, as this can dilute the acids and help your body maintain the appropriate pH balance. This helps you to get rid of acid reflux problems, and you will not have issues with indigestion. Many people suffering from heartburn and other symptoms after eating food can benefit a lot by choosing this method.